Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Now we are going to start second and last part of lesson number 6, movements in animals, in which we will be covering some interesting facts about lizards, process of hibernation, and at last harmful and useful insects. Students, there are about 6,000 species of lizards which live all over the world, except in cold climates. They don't prefer to stay in cold places because their body have no internal heating capabilities, so they rely on heat from external sources. They like to hide themselves in tree trunk, under rock or remote corners of our house. They also hide themselves when they fall sick, as they don't like to be disturbed at that time. Children, lizards move upside down on the ceiling of rooms. Still, they do not fall down. Did you ever wonder how does that happen? Well, lizards have many small grooves on the bottom of their feet, which holds the ceiling while they crawl. That is why they do not fall and can move anywhere very comfortably. Now let's try to understand what is hibernation. Hibernation is a process in which animals go for a long and deep sleep during winter, especially for the purpose of rest, in order to avoid extreme cold and shortage of food. Their body temperature, breathing, heart rate, etc. slow down during this period. Can you name some animals that hibernate? Bats, snakes, bear, etc. They all hibernate. Children, we have already studied many interesting things related with insects in the previous video. Insects, as discussed earlier, are found in many varieties. Insects like housefly, cockroach can be harmful to us because their exposure can spread diseases. Some insects like bees, wasps, honeybees have stings, so they can be dangerous and can hurt us very badly. Apart from it, there are some insects which are harmful to us as they spoil our things, like termites eat paper and wooden articles. Similarly, weevils eat our grains which we store in the kitchen. They can also cause losses to our granaries. Do you know what is a granary? Granary is a place where grains are stored. But that doesn't mean that all insects are harmful to us. There are some insects which performs functions which can be very beneficial to us. Like some insects like beetles feed on dead animals. This way they prevent us from diseases. Insects also help in bringing back the nutrients by digging the soil. We get honey and beeswax from the hive of honeybees. Silkworms provide us silk fiber by which we make silk. Before ending today's session, it's again time for some assignment. Question number 1. What do you mean by granary? Question number 2. Name 2 animals that hibernate. Thank you and stay safe.